Hi, hon. I'm filming. Hey, everyone. Welcome back. If you're new here, thanks for joining. And while you're here, you might as well hit that subscribe button and like this video if you like Amazon favorites, because that's what this is. Let's get into it right now. Okay. One of my Amazon favorites are the coffee cups that they have on there. I have a little page, an Amazon page, so I'll link that shop down below. Anyway, this is a Stay Sassy cup. I actually got this for my husband because there was a time where he was a little bit sassy, and I was like, you know what? We all should be able to be a little bit sassy, so here, honey, you just stay sassy. He had his sassy pants on. So there are several mugs that I have in there that are my favorite. One is actually a lipstick makeup mug that I use to keep my makeup brushes in, but it's a really nice one. Okay. There is so much stuff that I want to share, and I have no particular order. I will include a picture of it, but here's the box that it came in. And it is the Safer-Grip footrest, and it is so you can shave your legs in the shower. It's a life changer, I'm telling you. For us who like to shave our legs in the shower, this nice little footrest helps me do that without doing some sort of acrobat move in my shower. These headbands, I like wearing headbands when I do my skincare at night. I like wearing them when I put my makeup on. It's kind of nice to help get the hair out of my face when I'm doing any kind of a mask or anything. I have lots of headbands. These I purchased off of Amazon, and they come in a set, I think, of 6 sets. So I've opened up 2. I gave one to my mom, one to Claire, and then I have 2 more that I haven't opened yet. One is colorful with spots, little colorful spots, and the other one is black and white like a zebra, but they're so cute and they're fuzzy and they fit great around the head. Another thing is this little cat hat. It is called Kuto. It's also, again, in there, it'll be in the health and beauty. But this is for, you get out of the shower and you have your hair wrapped in a towel, and I spray serum on my hair when I get out of the shower, any kind of conditioner or anything. And this is kind of like an absorbent thing, or absorbent kind of towel. It helps keep your hair a little bit drier. So you just put it on your head, and this little cute little, I'll put a picture of it right up here, but you put it on your head. It's got the little band to help keep your hair in there and secure. This doesn't go over your head. This goes over your head. This part right here. This goes over your hair. I got a clip in the back so you can't really tell, but this helps keep your hair. It just helps keep everything up, and it kind of helps dry it a little bit quicker if you're walking around the house and doing something, and you can look cute doing it. They have one in pink too. Okay, I do this just about every day except when I travel. And that is, I ice roll my face. This is exactly what I got, is the ProNu Ice Roller. It's just a metal thing. It's got this little thing here where you can pop these off, where you just pop it off. And I keep this in a Ziploc bag in the freezer. And then when I get up in the morning, I just connect them. They've got the little slide here where this slides on right. Do you see that little slide? So these just slide on. And then you can roll your face. And it's really nice to help cool you down. Even in the summertime, if you're coming in from outside, you've been working in the garden and you're really hot, just take this out of the freezer, pop it in, and you can roll your face and cool yourself off. So, the ProNu Ice Roller. Now, just know I couldn't find this exact one with the black handle. I couldn't find it on there anymore because I bought it a while back. But I did link one that was still similar to this metal roller. It works great. I don't think you need anything fancy. So the one thing that I don't have to share anymore are the Dermal facial masks. My husband got me a bunch of them for Christmas time. They were Dermal Korean collagen facial masks. I want to say it was like 15 or 16, a set of 15 or 16 masks for like $10 or $11. And I'll put a picture up here if I can for that for you. It's on the links down below. But the one thing that I like is, it was Natalie the Beauty Diva that I was watching one time, and she had mentioned this. I don't have the cardboard that they came in, but I'll put a picture right here for you. It is actually a silicone mask with the earpiece, so that when you put your sheet mask on your face, you can put this on over, and then you can continue to go about and vacuum, or you can walk around, you can talk on the phone. some of those sheets, when you get up and start moving around, they just fall off. But this allows it to be a much more intense absorption in your skin. Plus, it allows you to do things. And I have one in pink. I got the clear one, but I like this and I use it a lot, and it's really helpful. And the last thing is the Bathery. Now, these on Amazon, I think, are twice as much as they are at Target. I found these at Target. They're like $3. There's 2 different types of sponges in here. It's charcoal sponge, bamboo with charcoal infused, and there's 4 of them. I use them when in the shower. These are great to use in the shower. Just put your cleanser, a little bit of your cleanser on there, and do your face and your décolleté. It's really nice to have. Like I said, I found these at Target. This is from the Bathery for $3, but they are on Amazon, and that's where I initially found them. And I'm just happy that I found them at Target. But yes, you can get them Amazon on Prime, and they ship in 2 days. So it's great if you don't have a Target near you. Oh, we'll get into, this is also something that because it's already in my toilet and I'm not going to take it out, I will put a picture up here. This is the toilet nightlight. This is just a little white plastic thing that you clip onto your toilet. And it has different lights that it goes through, red, pink, purple, blue, green, yellow, that you can leave it on. And it is a motion sensor. So when you walk into your bathroom at night, this comes on and shines the light in the toilet so that you can see where the toilet is without having to turn the light on. I don't sleep well, so this is very handy to have. The blue light is a very soft light, and it's very nice when you open up the bathroom door, you close the bathroom door, or take 2 steps, and the light comes on inside the toilet, and I'm not bright lighting myself and waking myself up and then having difficulty falling to sleep, which is usually what happens. But I actually have one of these for Claire's bathroom as well. It's really nice because when she has a migraine, she can be in the bathroom. This will be on and it won't bother her at all. But it does make it fun for kids as well. And plus, for those young boys and men that are sleepy when they get up in the middle of the night, this light comes on, they know exactly where they're going. You know what I mean? Okay, jumping from that into, I don't know, how about pets? We have a lot of dogs on the farm, and these things are coming handy. And this is it's a MudBuster. This is actually the Dexas MudBuster, and this is the medium size. And it's exactly what it shows. It's when your dog is muddy, and in the wintertime too, you could just put a little warm water in here with some soap. This comes out, you just put their paw in there, and it cleans it right off, and you can dump the dirty stuff out. So this is really nice to have if you have dogs that go in and out in the rain and the winter. I have fuzzy hair today, and I don't know why. Anyway, this is a continuous spray shampoo and conditioner for dogs. So whether you're outside trying to give them a bath, or you're in your shower or whatever, you twist this cap, and then it has a continuous, you can't see, but it is a continuous spray so that you can spray when you're under their belly, you can spray all over, and it's really handy, and I like it a lot because those squeeze jars, you have to squeeze it out, put it on your pan, put it on their belly. This actually gets all over, and it's really great to have. This is the Magic Coat Continuous Spray Shampoo and Conditioner for dogs. They have all kinds of shampoos, and this is a shampoo and conditioner, but it just happened to be the one that they had the day that I ordered it. Other things. So this is something that's for the kitchen. This is called the Blue Apple, and it's actually just a little blue apple, and it has activated carbon in it so that it helps absorb odors and keep everything fresh. You just toss one of these with the little thing inside into your bin in there, and it keeps it's got a picture of here like a lettuce. So there's lettuce without it, there's lettuce with it. It just keeps your vegetables and your fruits last a lot longer, and I like that. Oh my gosh, we got a few more things. It's summertime right now, so I'm gonna share with you a couple of my favorites, and that are my FitKicks. This isn't all my FitKicks, I have a lot of them, but these are, they have a little bit of structure on the bottom, and they're great for water shoes, they're great for yoga, they're great for exercising, they're great for being in the river, kayaking. They're just great shoes to have around. This little thing here, you can put like this and they fit together, and they're really nice. Whenever I wear them, I always get compliments because they're just nice little thin shoes that you can, they're great. They're just great. I love these FitKicks. Now they don't have any arch support in them. So if you're someone that needs arch support, FitKicks aren't going to be for you. These are great shoes. They have all different colors. As you can tell, these aren't all. I have a black pair and I have a turquoise pair that have blue and green in them, and then these are the palms. So I have a lot of them. And I love them. Another thing that I love are these Spenco, and these are a little dirty, but hey, you know what, real life here, are these Spenco flip-flops. These are, as you can see, these have arch support in them. There's the heel and the arch support. These are the most comfortable flip-flops. They have great tread on the bottom, and they're just very good if you need arch support. I could walk in these all day long and my feet won't hurt. In fact, I did. My daughter and I had went to Vegas on a trip last year, and I wore these when we were walking around all day. These are the most comfortable flip-flops with arch support that I have found. They're a little pricey, but they're very well worth it. Staying into the realm of shoes, I found these. I was just searching for some new white tennis shoes, and I actually came across these rose gold tennis shoes. And every time I wear these, I get a lot of compliments. I actually have a pair of red glitter Converse that I have too. Didn't get them off Amazon though. But these were, I think, less than 20 bucks. And they're really great. They're fun to wear. And like I said, I get lots of compliments. They have them in all different colors. It is on my page under fashion. So these are fun, just fun. Electronics. So this is a little, it's not a pop socket. I wouldn't call it a pop socket, but it's just a nice little ring holder here on my phone that's rose gold. It's very pretty, fits in my back pocket nicely, and I got the ring that I can hold and I don't lose my phone. The reason I got this is because we were going on a cruise and I wanted to be able to take pictures from the balcony holding my phone up, you know, and I didn't want to drop my phone in the ocean. So having this allowed it to stay on my finger. I could rotate it and take my pictures. It's just really nice and it looks pretty. And that was a really cheap purchase. This is from iClever, and it is a USB charger. Actually has a smart charger down here. This is the QuickCharge Qualcomm 30, so it charges it so much faster than just plugging it into a regular wall outlet. Just having one of those regular chargers, you plug this into the wall outlet, and these are designed to charge much faster than just a regular USB charger. Also, one thing I like are these. This is a 10-foot lightning cable. I found that in traveling in the car and at the hotel and everything, things aren't necessarily always in that 3 to 6 foot range, so having a 10-foot lightning cable. So another thing is this little, this is a set from Travelon. This is a set of, there's 3 in a set, 4 in a set, and they're just nice little mesh bags that you can use. This is my electronics bag that I take with me when I travel. Very handy. They have sizes that are a little bit bigger than this. In fact, I think there's 3 in a pack. There's this one a little bit bigger and then a larger one that you can use maybe to put your underwear in when you travel or other things, socks or something. But they have these. This is in a set and it's also on that page, and it's very handy to keep all your electronics together. These are also little travel bags that these are also from Travelon. They can hang. You can keep, like this little red one has my medicines in it. This purple has another thing, but they're very, medium, small, medium, and large. So you could use it for medicines. You could use this one for medicines. This one's for electronics. This one's for, whatever you need. This has a little pair of my little travel sandals in here that are in a pinch, great to have. But these are extremely lightweight, they're see-through, and they're color-coded, so if you have a plan of attack on when you're traveling, what your color codes are, you can see at a glance things that are in here. It's very nice. And then I think the last thing that I want to share with you is what I'm sitting on, and it is the Wondergel blue support cushion. This is the blue Wondergel, and then it comes with this little cover, and it's what I have on my little chair, and it provides some nice cushion and support, and it's really great for someone who has lower back pain as well, because you're not sitting on a hard surface. And that's it for this Amazon favorites. I'll try to do another one a little bit later. Thank you so much for watching. I have so many favorites, and trying to keep it a short video is just impossible, so we'll have to do a round 2. All right, thank you so much for watching, everybody. Check out my links below. Come back and see me again. Mwah! Bye.